Innovasim.de presents you an Explain 11 TiSi-box video. Hello, I am an artificial voice, generated by a text-to-speech program. The TiSi-box is the name for combined tiller and site control box. The core component is a rotary control knob. The rotary control knob is equipped with an electronically spring load. This allows an automatic centering after each deflection. Pressing a push button you can add a dynamic head movement functionality. On ground this will be influenced by the tiller. When airborne the dynamic head movement will be affected by the bank angle. The head move mode button is used to control the way the virtual head is moved. Two buttons are used for a quick head movement or a quick jump in the opposite seat in the cockpit. The TiSi-box includes a parking brake switch. If you stop before turning into the runway, using the parking brake, the tiller will be decoupled and you will now have a perfect all-round visibility as you move the rotary knob. Use this feature blind, without searching for keys and buttons on each direction. Just release the knob, and the sight is centered again. Let's start a try in the air to demonstrate all the advanced possibilities of the TiSi-box.
1 arrivato Torre, buongiorno. 10 velivoli, volaggio a Brescia campo. 1 arrivato punta attesa pista 06, vento calmo, QNH 1020, QSape 1014, riporterà punta attesa 06. Pronti. Con i freni. Via.
When airborne the tiller function is completely disengaged. The self-centering control knob is now used to control the view.
Fermi così. Freni carrello. Ora. Flaps. Ora. 50. 110. Andiamo su.
When entering the dynamic head move mode, the view will be affected by the bank angle. This feature is extremely useful when flying aerobatic aircraft or a glider. Remember, this innovative feature is independent of the selected aircraft. To control the view to the left or right, use the control knob in manual mode. Even on an inverted flight, you may use a visual control. On downwind, you can easily inspect the location of the airport. In reality, you never keep your eyes only in one direction. This is one of the situations where the dynamic move mode comes into play. If the HMM mode is activated, you may have a better visibility to the horizon, especially on a circle approach. In addition, if you press the DHN button, the view is controlled automatically, according to the bank angle. After landing, when the aircraft is decelerating, the tiller function is activated again. In the absence of rudder pedals, it helps you to maintain the direction. Of course, you can use other possibilities to control the view, like the keyboard or the joystick. But certainly not in this simple way, as it allows you the TiSi-box. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.